Here's how to fix unable to log in on Instagram. If you're facing this problem, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app. Here you want to make sure that you have entered the correct credentials. So check your username, email or mobile number and check that you have entered the correct password. Once you have entered the right details, click on the login option. If you're still facing this problem, then it might be an issue with the server. To check, you want to open up any web browser. Now you want to type Instagram server, then head over to any reliable website such as Down Detector to check if there is any issue with the Instagram server. If there is no issue over here, then move on to the next step. Now you want to clear the Instagram's cache. For that, you want to tap and hold on the Instagram app, then tap on the app info button. On settings, you want to tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Now check if your problem is resolved. If it is still not, then you want to reinstall the app. For that, uninstall the Instagram application. Then you want to install it again from Play Store or App Store. Now, in case there is any issue with the server, then doing these steps is not going to fix it. Instead, the best solution is to wait for Instagram to resolve the issue on their end. Most server-related problems are fixed automatically within a few hours. After some time has passed, try logging in again and check whether the issue has been resolved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.